Three things I like in life: stew, chicken, and Italian food. Why not combine them and make up some wonderful chicken Italian stew? Turned out so good, so let's make this. Okay, the first thing you want to do is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. And we'll add our chicken in, skin side down. Now I'm using chicken thighs here. I just like the taste a whole lot better, but you can use breasts as well. And I use skin on and bone in. I cut the bone off, but these are going to be so good. And we'll season this up with some salt, ground black pepper. I just love pepper. And some Italian seasoning. This is a must. I use this stuff for everything. Just love it. And a few hot pepper flakes I should say, just for that additional heat. And we'll just fry these up until they're cooked through. I'm just going to flip these over, continue to cook them, well, I'd say for about another 4 or 5 minutes. Oh, just look at this, guys. Wow. Now our chicken is nicely fried up. I'm going to add in a small chopped onion and 4 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to stir and saute this until that wonderful smell of garlic fills the air. Nothing nicer than garlic sauteing. Next up, I'm going to add in about 22 ounces or 650 milliliters of marinara sauce. Oh, looks so good. And a little trick I usually do when I'm using jarred stuff is add a bit of water, give it a shake just to clean out the jar. And we'll just go ahead and pour this in. And we'll give this a little stir up. Then in with a medium cube potato. It's just a white potato. A small cubed up red bell pepper. You can use green if you like, I just like the red. A couple of stalks of chopped celery. A small chopped carrot. A few olives, about 3/4 of a cup or a cup. Now this is optional. Some people might think it's weird, but I just love having them in there. I'm going to give this an extra blast of salt, some ground black pepper. You know, you can just do this according to taste. And of course some Italian seasoning. I like lots, but it's entirely up to you. And we'll just give this a stir until everything is nicely combined. I just love these colors, guys. Be a little bit gentle on the stir so you don't squish those olives. And we're not done yet because lastly, I'm just going to spread a few green beans over. I'm adding these last because it looks so nice when they're on top of the dish. Slip a lid on and I'm going to reduce the heat to medium low. And we'll let this simmer away for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, depending on how finely chopped your potatoes are, we are done. And just look at this, guys. And believe me, here I go with smell-o-vision again. It smells absolutely incredible. And just check this out, guys. Wow. Stew at its best. And just take a look at this chicken. So tender. Oh, it's going to be so good and juicy. Wow. And there you have it, my friends, our incredibly simple and delicious Italian chicken stew. Okay guys, let's scoop some of this up and we'll get this on a plate. Oh, this just looks so good. All right, let's cut in here, guys, and see what we have. Get some olives on there and some potato and some bell peppers. Just look at this. Okay. The chicken is so tender, and I just love that sauce. The veggies, and just taste that seasoning. This is an incredible stew. One of the best stews I've ever had. Oh, you gotta make this, guys. It is so good. And of course, as I always say, I'm gonna have more. Good chicken.